So welcome you all for Nadiswara report interpretation. So Nadiswara, through pulse diagnosis you can understand pulse each and every organ pattern through Nadiswara. So this is one of the pattern. So we normally we get into it's called kidney insufficiency. So the kidney is the root of both yin and yang. So this pattern is showing the yang energy is excess and yin is deficient. So normally this happens due to a lack of kidney chi deficiency or kidney essence deficiency. So this may be working without rest continuously. So your chi production is less and expenditure is too high. So this leads to the stress and long constant activity of the mind and long hours and irregular eating habits and as well as excess of mental activity. This leads to the excess of fire in heat. So the kidney, according to the Chinese medicine, so energy is flowing in kidney meridian and which connects to the lumbar. From there it goes to the cervical and to the head. So when kidney insufficiency happens, it leads to the lack of fluids in the spinal cord and as well as in the head region. So when fluids or kidney essence is less, obviously when in the head region kidney energy is less, that leads to the poor memory and mouth dryness, blurred vision and some hearing losses like that. Similarly, it may causes some spinal cord issues like cervical spondylosis or lumbar pain. And kidney meridian is also flowing down to the thighs and knees and as well as to the heel. So maybe a weakness of knees and heel pain, these are the chances of symptoms will be there. The kidney insufficiency leads to the kidney is a main organ which governing your gynec actions and the reproduction of the cells and as well as the reproduction of the sperm and egg. So when kidney yin is deficient, directly it will affect on your reproduction of cells and as well as this one reproduction of the gynec issues. In our body every day millions of cells are dying and millions cells of cells are regenerating and recreating. So kidney yin is responsible of recreating the new cells in the body, reproduction of the new cells in the body. So when kidney yin is deficient, definitely patient end up with deficient of developing new cells in the body. It may be a body cells, organ cells, or it may be a sperm and egg also. So this may leads to the infertility and weakness of spinal cord and as well as the bones, and which also governing your metabolic activity of the body. So your body metabolism is imbalances that leads to the stress and all. And this can be corrected through your correcting your lifestyle, food and as well as by just treating the points which is suggested by the Nadiswara. So mainly we are taking the food, a lot of hybrid foods and lot of spices in the food that has to be cut down because that increases still yang energy in the body, that leads to the kidney insufficiency. And you have to improve your physical activity so that you can increase your metabolism of the food that nourishes your kidney. To rejuvenate your kidney, so emotional correction and lifestyle correction plays very important role. In emotional correction, so reducing excess of desires plays very important role. In physical level, making your mind rest and taking work gap and relaxing your mind and body with meditation and relaxation techniques which regenerates your kidney.